So in doing the donor area, we're going to be able to take 100% of the hairs from the sweet spot. We can see we checked the elasticity. You can see a really nice elasticity. So the scalp's very flexible, which is nice all the way around. It's often different as we move around. So from one half to the other, you can see what your density looks like, which is pretty good. And we'll actually wind up removing this area and suturing together so we have hair on hair. And let the ladies do their thing. She's gonna get you all taped up, and then we'll numb up this area with local anesthesia, get you going, okay?
Absolutely.
All right. So then when I remove the strip, I want to get it in such a plane so that you minimize going through any vessels, and you just get a nice even area underneath the hair follicle and the fat. Hear that? We love hearing that. That's the patient snoring. It's important for the staff to recognize the difference between the patient snoring and when I snore. That's when I get kicked a little bit under the table, but I've been doing this so long I can do this in my sleep. It's just they prefer me not to. I'm sorry?
Was it snoring?
No, I was snoring. One of us is allowed to sleep at a time, so we can take turns. What do you think?
After the surgery.
Okay. Let's see. So men are a little bit tougher fibrous tissue attachments, it seems. With women, a lot of times we do this and it comes off like butter. All the girls in the office say, of course, women are always much easier to deal with than men.